Everybody has a worksheet on their desk that looks like this. And we are going to go through this activity today so that you understand how you're going to do your homework tonight, because you will be accessing a YouTube video clip tonight for your homework. All right, this assignment has 3 sections. This is the first, second, third. We're going to do a few of the questions in each section together, and then Mr. Murray is going to show you how to pause the video so that you can continue and finish the rest of the section on your own. And then we will replay the video and start section 2. Okay, let's look up here at the top. There is a little helpful reminder that says a preposition is a word that starts a phrase. The phrase gives a description like where, when, or what. So we're going to be underlining the prepositions in the following sentences. Let's take a look at number 1. The sentence reads, she drank a bottle of juice from the refrigerator. We're looking for a word that's going to link a noun or a pronoun to another word in the same sentence. So we're looking for a preposition. She drank a bottle of juice from the refrigerator. From the refrigerator is going to tell me where. I know that. So the preposition in this sentence is from. Please underline that. Tells you where she got the juice from the refrigerator. Okay, let's look at sentence number 2. It says, he is the first person in the line, in the long line. Looking for another preposition, and I see the word in the long line. It's linking this word here, the word line, to the other words in the sentence. Tells us where he is in the long line. Let's try sentence 3. Did you see the show on television? Did you see the show on television? The word on is the preposition, and it's linking the show to the television. Okay, we're going to do one more. 4th sentence reads, on July 4th, we celebrate Independence Day. When do we celebrate Independence Day? On July 4th tells us when. Okay, please pause your video now and do the last 2 on your own. See if you can figure those out. I'm going to tell you right now that your next sentence is tricky. You're going to have 2 prepositional phrases in this sentence. So be careful, okay? Just in this sentence. Try it on your own. Okay, let's take a look at section 2. It wants us to write a preposition in the blank to complete the sentence. So let's try to do the first one together. The bird flew blank the roof. This is when you can use your list of prepositions to help you. So I'm going to take a look at my list of prepositions that everybody has a copy of. It looks like this, okay? And I'm going to ask myself, which word would help me figure out maybe how or where The bird flew. In terms of the roof, I have a few here that would make sense, like over the roof, maybe past the roof, could be around the roof, below the roof, beside the roof. There's another one over here, maybe toward the roof. I think I'm going to go with over the roof. The bird flew over the roof. Fill that in. Okay, let's try to do the next one together. The tiger crept slowly blank the forest. The tiger crept slowly blank the forest. So I'm going to take a look at my prepositional phrase list here. The tiger crept slowly. I'm going to go with this word over here. This might be tough for you to see. Through the forest. So write that in with me. Through the forest. Okay? You have 2 more to do in this section on your own. So take a couple of minutes to work on those. Notice the last sentence in this section here. You have 2 blanks to fill in with that sentence. So it kind of shows you that some sentences, like this one up here, can have 2 prepositional phrases. Okay, try those now. We are going to do the last section together. And let's take a look at the directions here. They say the underlined prepositions in the following sentences are scrambled. So they used them wrong. You're going to change the preposition to make the sentence correct. Okay, so what I did was I wrote in the 4 prepositions for each sentence over on the right, and I gave you a blank line. So we're going to keep track of which words we use in which sentence. So this person wrote, the pioneer walked near the trail. It does make sense, but there's another preposition here that would make more sense given the fact that you only have 4 choices and they all have to fit into all of these sentences. So let's see. The pioneer walked blank the trail. Well, we know it's not near, so we're not going to use that as an option. The pioneer walked during the trail. Doesn't really make sense. The pioneer walked of the trail. No. The pioneer walked along the trail. I think this one makes the most sense. So let's use this for sentence 1. We're going to cross it out and we're going to fill in the correct word. Along the trail. Okay? Let's take a look at the second sentence. My favorite ice cream is the flavor during the month. My favorite ice cream is the flavor near the month. My favorite ice cream is the flavor during the month, which we know that that's not an option. My favorite ice cream is the flavor of the month. That one seems to work there. So we're going to check off that we used that. We're going to cross out the word during and replace it with the word of. So you have 2 choices now for your last 2 sentences. You're either going to change the preposition to the word near or to the word during, okay? So do that now, and Mr. Murray will give you some time to figure out which word you are going to scramble into the new sentence, okay? You are going to have a similar homework assignment tonight, so I hope you enjoyed walking through this activity with me.